Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on the questions: if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? And the second question is how the universe was created from nothing. The short answers to those questions is that nothing always existed as a vacuum fluctuations or quantum fluctuations. And the universe was created from those vacuum fluctuations or quantum fluctuations. Before the universe was created, there was nothing in the sense that the total energy in the universe was zero. So you can say that there is nothing. Nothing exists in the universe. That is to say, zero energy universe. And in detail, E minus G equals to 0, or total energy in the universe minus total gravity equals to 0. And that is the meaning of nothing. Nothing in the sense that the total energy in the universe was 0. And in this kind of universe, matter could be created from those quantum fluctuations. That is to say, from nothing, in the following way: virtual particles are being created from quantum fluctuations in this empty space all the time. If these pairs don't mutually annihilate right away, they could be detected as real particles. Then matter could be created from that. And in this way, the universe was created from nothing. That is to say, from quantum fluctuations. Okay, thank you very much.